I'm with Ms. Celine Santa Ana, BPI Family Savings Bank's Retail Mortgage Head, to answer your home loan related questions. Hi again, Ms. Celine.
Hi again, Angel.
Okay, we have another question. This time it's from Danny.
Okay.
He asks, I'm selling my property and the buyers advised me that they will take a loan from the bank to pay me in full. How long will it take for the bank to pay me?
Yeah. Okay, Danny, that's a very smart question. As a matter of fact, if I were a seller, I would always want to be paid in cash.
Okay.
But not all buyers can afford to pay in cash. And in this case, the buyer of his property is going to take a loan from the bank.
Yeah.
Well, there is really a process to this. First, the buyer is going to apply for a housing loan with us. And the banks, like in the case of BPI Family Savings Bank, a credit decision can always be done in 5 days. When we give a client an approval in 5 days, that is just the start of our advising him that he can already talk to the seller so that they can already start the closing of their sale. Assuming that the property is also priced at 1 million. Okay, let's just say that he was approved for 700,000. We will give the buyer a credit approval for 700,000, and he will bring this loan approval to the seller, telling him that, okay, I have here an approval for 700,000. Okay. So now on my end, I will give you an equity of 300,000. Okay. So what happens is there's a closing of the mind, and therefore they will now do their deed of sale. But him, being the seller, would not want a deed of sale but just showing him an approval. He wants something more concrete. And what would that be? After the bank gives the buyer here an approval, we will ask him to sign several documents so that we, the bank, can issue what we call a bank guarantee. A bank guarantee given to a seller gives him, well, the guarantee that the bank will pay him the amount of 700,000 when he is able to complete all the documents required in that bank guarantee.
Okay.
When you are a seller of a property, I have to make sure that the bank guarantee that I get from the buyer is something genuine and authentic.
How will we know if it's genuine and authentic?
Yes. The best thing is for him to go to the bank or call or ask.
That particular branch, kung saan siya pumunta.
Yes, that branch, or take a look at the bank guarantee or who signed it if it's something that was really issued by the bank.
Ms. Celine, approximately how long will it take for the seller to collect his money?
As a matter of fact, Angel, if the title is transferred in the name of the buyer and it's already available and submitted to us, the loan release can be done in less than 10 days.
Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Celine.
You're welcome, Angel.
I hope Danny, Ms. Celine was able to answer your question. And for those who would like to post your questions on Facebook, you can look for the BPI Housing Loans account and like us on Facebook, and you can post your question there, just like Danny did. So we'll see you again next week, Ms. Celine.
Yes.